welcome back to another episode of Vlogmas. Today we are gonna go thrifting and probably hit up a cafe or something later on. I wanted to share with you guys my vision board as well as my bullet journal setup for the upcoming new year. I'm super excited because I've been trying to think about like what I want to achieve in the next year and all that stuff, but I think it's important to set like specific goals if you want to make them. But yeah. Hi everybody. So we are walking to the place now.
Ooh, ice cream.
Ooh. To each get one thing, right? I'm super duper happy about that jacket that I tried on. Everybody, we are back home now. I'm just eating some dinner and I'm gonna start making my vision board right now. But I wanted to share some really good news first. I've been trying to promote Dancember and stuff, and it's basically a campaign that is partnered with Save the Children. It is a nonprofit organization that helps provide resources for children all around the world who lack resources. And Dancember was a campaign that was created by It's Judy Time as well as her husband Benji Travis. Now I'm just looking back at their videos for the video highlights, and oh my gosh, they like went over the amount goal that they had originally. Tearing up while watching the video, so I'm trying to not do that right now. During the live broadcast, I did donate as much as I could, and I think it's so cool how people in this community can make such a big difference, and I just want you guys to know that you can still donate. It still goes through the end of this month. I'll leave a link down in the description box and everything, but yeah, it just feels really good to be a part of such a good cause. Before I start getting all like sappy and stuff, I wanted to show you guys my new bullet journal. I've been waiting to open this for a few weeks now. I got it from Amazon and it's like a nice yellow color. I want to do like a quick flip through for you all just to give you guys a look back on this year. Look, you guys can see it's already broken apart. I honestly did not find the use of an index. I had like so many pages for it. Same with a key. I didn't keep up with that at all. Oh, and then I have like a bunch of sticky notes. I start to get a little better with the spreads. My favorite pages would probably have to be the daily gratitude pages. Each day I would try to write something that I was thankful for. I was trying to collect pictures of my favorite places in Colorado before we moved, and I kind of just wrote about it. Oh, and then these are the last couple of Polaroids in our last apartment, and then there's a bunch of sheep. September is when I started school, still doing good, and my spread started to look a lot better and more organized. I try to do some more like doodles and stuff. I had a lot of pages that like are just brain dump of YouTube. I have my end of the year goals for 2018. What is this? Oh cool, there's like a little, I like that detail. It's like yellow over here. It's a little envelope for me to keep like sticky notes or something if I wanted to, or stickers. I do want to add more stickers to this journal this year. Couple things. When I was at the cafe earlier today, I decided to kind of just do like a brain dump. We have this huge unorganized list of brain dump. So I kind of like to categorize these things. You can totally do whatever you want with a vision board. It's yours. This is how I'm doing mine, so you can do yours however you want to do it. I think I'm gonna narrow it down to a couple of big ideas. A bunch of crafts in this box. There's like glitter, markers, scrap paper, really pretty origami paper, and I'm gonna totally like deck out these next couple of pages. I'll share like one from each category because I feel like a lot of this is personal stuff, but yeah, now that I'm putting it out into the world, I feel like it's the first step to actually attaining my goal. First thing for sure is debt, and I really want to be able to pay off my credit card bill within this next year, and then also really have a solid foundation of savings and be able to start tackling my student debts early on. I had a section about YouTube. Each video that I put out, I do try to make it better than the last video that I uploaded. So I really want to work on creating better thumbnails and adding more doodles and stuff into my videos. The next section I have is for self-care. I really want to start tapping into my spirituality a little more. I feel like this year I've been really drawn to crystals. I wanted to get into that because I wanted to bring more like positivity and good energy into my home, into my life. I treated myself before the new year and I got myself this super cute tray. I was thinking of like displaying crystals on here once I start learning more about them. How cute is this? Along with self-care, I want to be able to like create a solid morning routine. Back at home, I used to be able to wake up super early and like go work out and go to work and feel good. This year, I felt myself like waking up stressed like all the time, and I don't want to feel that way anymore. But for sure, I want to create like 10 minutes of like body activity. So I want to make sure I'm getting active, where I'm at least stretching for 10 minutes in the morning, just so I can like clear my head and get my heart running. I feel like that'll help me like flow a lot better throughout the day, and I won't be as tired either. A part of self-care is to reduce my screen time. This year, especially since I've become more consistent with YouTube and everything, I have started to get the flow of like creating a consistent schedule. I want to be able to reduce that by filling like my free time with books and crafts, because I love doing crafts. So I used to like knit and crochet and all that stuff, so I really want to get back into that. The last couple sections I have that are like smaller is, one of them is sustainability. I just want to gain more knowledge about helping the planet. Is a giving back section. For me, giving back means like donating your time. I really want to get involved in nonprofit organizations that are around my community, especially working with kids and stuff. That's pretty much my vision board. I wanted to put it in my bullet journal because I always have this with me. The next page is my future log. I just wrote out like each month and the dates, and then I'll probably fill this in later on. And then for this page, this is where my New Year's resolutions are gonna go. And then as well as my affirmations. Totally believe in positive affirmations. I'm gonna take some more time to add a few more pages before I start planning for January. If you guys want more information on my bullet journal and stuff, I'll most likely be posting pictures of my spreads and stuff on my Instagram. So swing over there if you guys would like. Get started on planning your goals for 2019 and let us know a few of your goals down in the comments below. I would love to read about them. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!